part 2. I had accidentally turned the camera off and not started again. Got interior parts there, right, and you got various ribbon parts there, right, and the tails and everything. And again, here's your top wings. Interestingly, you got flat positionable flaps, but you haven't got ailerons that move, so perhaps you could be able to cut them off with a very sharp saw, but no, they don't get you the chance to. Got interior detail for the wheel wells there again. Got flap down positions, and you can the tail section fin comes in 2 parts, and you got weight on wheels as well. A little bit of a flat area there, and the interior of the interior bomb bay as well, which I won't show because you won't have it when it's bomb bay shut. Got quite nice detail there on the wing itself. A bit of texture and recessed panels. Alright, so that's the plastic. Quickly move on to the gifts, the instructions themselves. You've got the 3 lots of decals on one sheet, all good quality. Try and zoom in with there. Yeah, quite good quality. 2 different decals really for each side of the Lancaster, and the New Zealand and Mk.//U decals for Spitfires. Right. I have to recharge this battery after this. So we start off with the interior. Got the spars for the wings because it's quite a large wing area. Got a large aircraft. You got the pilot seat, nice little armchair. There. And put the spars in, look. So it carries on like this. You got all the detail, nice lot of detail in there. Yep. You got a little map table there for the navigator radio operator or something. And you see when it's all together, you got a nice little house going on there. Not quite a kitchen sink, but it's there. Got decals for the interior as well, for the radios areas, and I think there's even a map for the map area, which is here. See, it's a little map of Europe. See where you get a bottom. Yeah, that's in focus at all. But yeah, can't focus that back. So anyway, it goes on and on, as I do. Then you put the top of the wing on first. Once you've built up the wheel well areas, a lot of detail in that. Put the top of the wing on after you put the engine wheel well areas together, and then you'll put the wheels themselves. Put the engines together there on this section. See how far we got up to section 56 already. Then put the engines on afterwards. Look, see. And you can slot the remember that those parts which were off the sprue, there's a hole there now, and you can put the wheel legs down the middle between the engine and the wing itself, and you slot it in that way, which is an interesting top-down approach for the insertion of the wheels. So it goes on and on up to section stage 98, look, 106, and but you don't get the this part here they show over there. I don't see that on anywhere in the instructions, so I don't know what's going on with that section. So whether or not the instruction to put it on, see that shows, but there is a pitot tube there. Seems to say to put it there, but it's on the actual aircraft and other ones you've seen. There's a downward looking pitot tube there. So I don't know what's going on there. Perhaps this is generally for a Lancaster, not the BBMF one. Although they do show it in drawing form. So there's the colour callouts. Then you get quick little ones for the Spitfire. Each Spitfire, because far fewer parts, 10 stages instead of the 100 or something it was before. 108 stages for the Lancaster, which fair play, it's a big aircraft. This silver one for the Ki-Tak January 1951 Spitfire. That's what it's currently done as. At the time of making this, and it got the instructions for the Spitfire Mk.IIa Spitfire. Same old blokey to go in the front. Should really have a guy with a bone dome on top, modern pilot, but for this, but they haven't. They got the old guy who's been flying planes for 60 years for Airfix. And there we are. That's the instructions for the Spitfire. Little angle for where to put the wheels. And this one is for, like I say, one for in Catterick in North Yorkshire 1940. KLB R6895 in the B.III, flown by Christopher Deere, DSO, OBE, DFC and BAR. So he's quite a busy and well awarded fellow. Good for him. So there, that's the massive kit, the triple kit, the gift set for the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, which is so big you can't get it in this frame. Alright, hope you enjoyed that, and cheerio.